So here I come to the next video related to function, and we are going to solve the question number 10. The question number 10 of the question paper of your last annual examination. Here it is mentioned that write a program to perform the following task using function as described below. Both of the name of the function is pattern, but one of the method has a void. So here it means that the result will be printed through system.out.println, and the other one has a double, which means we are going to return the result, as it is also mentioned in the question, return the sum. So by that we will return the result of it. So let's start doing this particular question, because we will going to solve both of it. So the same way we will go to the Blue Jay, as I did the previous co-prime work over here, that is present over here, but we will do the other work. So I'm going to make a question of new class, and here it is related to pattern. I can write the name as pattern PRG. PRG short form is program. Okay, and press it OK. And now controlling and deleting everything, opening it completely. Now writing with import java dot util dot star question mark semicolon, coming back to class pattern prg, opening curly brace, writing same again. I'm writing the void main part first, public static void main, back again, opening the curly brace, writing the scanner class, scanner is c equal to new scanner with the bracket system dot in. Okay, now I have to see the things we need to take as an argument. As per the question, I need a char ch and an int n and double x and double n. Okay, these are unknown values. So these unknown 4 values we are going to accept from the user. So to accept these things from the user, we are going to write system.out.println first bracket, enter the character and also one number and number that is need to be mentioned. Now I'm going to take a character with the variable, as no variable is mentioned in the question. Oh, it's mentioned ch and n, so I will use the same variable. I will use ch and I will use n. See, there is 2 n is mentioned, one is int n and double n1. If you want, you can make, I prefer that take the separate variable name as double n1 over here. So I'm going to make it as char ch, which is going to be accepted as sc dot next line, then dot char at 0. That is the way I can accept a character, and then back again I'm going to do it with the variable int n as sc dot next int. Once it is done, I'm going to ask, or you can, if you want, you can call that function which is named as pattern, and just can pass both the values over here, which is ch and also n. See, it will give me the result automatically, because when I'm going to write this function, it is a void, so the whole result will come inside of it only. But for the next one, this is not going to be the same. Here I'm going to take a variable x and n1. So for that, I'm going to write the same sentence, but it will be 2 numbers. So what I'm going to write is that I'm going to write 2 numbers over there. So I will write enter 2 numbers, but these will be double numbers. Okay, 2 numbers, and I'm going to declare it with double. So write as double, mentioned as x. So sc dot next double. Okay, I'm going to use as double, then double n1 as sc dot next double, back again. Okay, now as I said, it is going to return, so I have to print the result here because the returning part is there. So the sum of the series is equal to plus, I need to call that function same way. So I'm going to write pattern and call it back again with x comma n1. This is the calling way, how I'm calling just with the class name. Then I'm closing the main method. I'm going to write my first method, which is public void. I can write it as static also, static void pattern, which will have two variable argumented variables. One is char ch, another is going to be int n, opening the curly brace. Let's go back to the question. It is saying that with one character and one integer argument, print n lines containing the character and character stored in ch. Means I have to make a triangular pattern on depending on whatever the character user is going to give, as in the form of ch. So I will go back over here. I will write the code for making a triangular pattern, which is int I as 1, as many as line given by the user pointed by n variable as I plus plus, opening a curly braces, writing for int j equal to 1. Triangulated pattern relation will form with the previous variable loop. So j plus plus back then, opening curly brace and writing system dot out dot print only, and the variable ch over here, close it off, writing system dot out dot print ln, and that method is closed over here. So my first method I have finished writing it. Similarly, the same way I'm going to write by next method, which has a return type double, and the variables that are passed over here is double x and double n. Now over here I'm going to take sum. So I'm taking a variable s as 0, 0.0, which will calculate the sum. So I'm going to write, see the sum, what is the way it is given. It is n x by n. So assuming if x is 20, n is 20, so x by 20, x by 19, x by 18 as n minus 2. So like that. So it is in a decreasing order. Whichever the value is there, from there it is a decreasing order. So for that, what I'm doing is that x is constant over here and n is going backward. So I'm putting n as in the for loop for backward position. So for that I'm writing, if I will write int I as in the form of int n. It is a type conversion I have used over here. It is a coercion or implicit typecasting. Why I am doing that? Because my n is double over here. My for loop is running through integer variable. So forcefully, sorry, I have mentioned over here wrong. It is the typecasting of explicit type, where forcefully I am converting it into the explicit form of it, not implicit, not coercion. It is typecasting and it is the explicit typecasting. Okay, where forcefully I have converted the value into int n, and then n should be till greater than 1 and going to sorry, it is going to be I greater than equal to 1, my loop, and then it is going to be I minus minus. Going back down over there, it is going to be s plus equal to x by n. Finishing up over here, at the end we are going to write return s and closing the two brackets. Let's check for the errors. There are no errors what I'm getting over here. So I'm closing it and just writing void main, which will ask me to print a character. So I'm printing at the rate, then a line number which is 3. So see, it is printing me the pattern as per it, and then the two numbers. So I'm giving x as 1 and giving the n as 5. So 5 4 3 2 1, it will calculate it and it is giving me 1.0. I can try that with some random numbers over here also. Suppose the character that I'm giving over here is dollar and the line number I'm giving as 8. So that way the triangle is being formed. Next, the number of x I'm giving as 2 and below 9 n is giving as 9. So it is calculating and giving the result as 2 point with the fractional value. Because the result is returning double, that is why so many fractional point after point also it is holding it. Okay, so thank you students, keep it till this. We will move forward to more function programs like this, and there will be a homework I will give you related to this kind of function program, which you people will try to write and send it back to me with the answer. I will check through them and I will see what I can do to get back to you with the correct answer if anyone is wrong in that. Thank you very much. Stay well, stay connected.